Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door switch in the Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door switch. There are two door switches located at the top at the upper door hinges. The door switch operates the lights inside the refrigerator, the fan motor, and the alarm. If the lights inside the fridge won't turn on when you open the door or stays on all the time, check the door switch and replace it if needed. And we need to get up to the hinge cover, and then I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver and take that single screw out so we can remove the hinge cover and lift it up. And here's that switch we need to take out. Pull the plug, and then I'm going to squeeze the sides and push the switch out. You know, it's always like that. You're going to try to take it out, it won't get out. But not in my case. I got used to winning. That's an old switch. This is the old door switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So that switch goes in, that blue side up. Push in. All right, and then we're going to plug it in. Turn it over, and we're going to install it. Make sure that green ground wire goes right there. So we're going to attach it with the screw. Place the cover. It's a little tricky. And put the screw in. And pull out the connector and press in the cover so the tabs, small tabs on the sides will lock, and then we can secure it with the Phillips screw. Done deal. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.